Managing an inventory is a tedious process. The person who is managing the inventory must keep track of all the products, their quantities which are currently in the inventory, their prices, sales history, order history, etc. Performing all these tasks through manual bookkeeping is very difficult and it is error prone. So we introduce an application which eases all these tasks. Now this is the main screen of the application where all the products are displayed. This is implemented using a recycler view. If the inventory owner wants to sell a particular product, let's say a laptop or a mobile, he can sell all these items to a particular customer at once using the cart functionality. Now we can simply set the quantity using the up button and down button. We set the quantity to 4 and we move the laptop to the cart. So laptop product is successfully inserted onto the cart. Next we insert the mobile, so we set the quantity to 4 and we move to the cart. So these two items are successfully moved to the cart. We can navigate to the cart page using the floating action button, which is at the bottom. So click it and the two products that are added to the cart are displayed. Their cost, quantity which has to be sold to the customer is displayed. The total cost is also displayed. We have a set of predefined customer IDs. We can choose one and we can simply sell all these products to a customer. As we can see, the quantity here is decreased of those particular products since it is sold from the inventory. Now if the inventory owner wants to buy those products back, so he buys it from a particular supplier. So if we want to buy about 4 laptops, and he can simply click buy, which navigates to this screen where all the details are shown: the total cost of all the products, product ID, purchase date, and the order ID. So here we have a predefined set of supplier IDs. We can simply click one and we can click buy. As we can see, the quantity is updated and set to 67. Earlier it was 63. So this buy button is generally used to restock the products. Now if we want to buy a new product which has never been to the inventory, we can simply click add products. We enter the product ID, so we can enter any product ID and we enter the product name and we enter the quantity. We can even set the quantity to 0 and later buy, but we can set the quantity to 2. Now we can enter the cost of each piece, so we can click as 100 and we click add product. Now as we can see, the torch is added onto the products list. Now we can sell these products or we can buy using the buy and move to the cart buttons. Now we can also keep track of the order history as well as the sales history through this app. Now as we sold many items to the customers, so this keeps track of all the records of the sales. It keeps track of the order ID, date on which this sale is made, product ID, customer ID, and the quantity which is sold. Now we can also show the purchase records. Here we have purchase ID, supplier ID, product ID, date, and quantity. We can see all these details. These are all the features in the application.